This is Greg here at the Goodguys Car Show in Scottsdale, Arizona. Hanging out with my buddy Rocky and Tim and Kevin. So this is my 1969 RS SS Denver Hugger Special. This was a special edition car that was sold in the Denver area. It's unsure how many were made, but there were not hardly any that were SS's, and this is an RS SS. .300 horsepower, 350. Power steering, power brakes. Four-speed, numbers matching car. No gauges, no console. Blue interior. So this car came with a SS hood, but it had Z28 stripes just on the hood. This car was sold new in Golden, Colorado at Stevenson Chevrolet. Based on the NCRS shipping data report. This is Rocky's 66 Biscayne, 283, 3 on the tree, original paint. This is a car that was sold new in Tucson, spent its whole life in Arizona. And he's got his Yanko clone truck here, shop truck, pretty neat little truck, patina.
Advantage, Gear Star, Cup Cams, Wheelwood, March. Right there, just to name a few. Folks, speaking of FiTech, the undisputed leader in aftermarket fuel injection, is the official fuel system of Goodguys. FiTech offers innovative, true self-learning carburetor replacement, LS, or injection kits. FiTech makes it easy to install a complete fuel injection system that will upgrade your vehicle's performance both on the road and off. Stop by their booth or check them out at FiTechFI.com.